In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tacoma key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You will need one of these CR2032 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of those online, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that will be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. The first step to opening this up is just to look on the side. You can see there's that button there. Just hold it down and remove the internal key. And here we have the keyhole, and right next to it a little slot in the plastic. Just take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and hold the device loosely in your hand and twist the screwdriver, and that will crack this thing open. We can now set the back piece of plastic to the side, and all we need to do is just use this same tool to remove the battery. So we want to go in right behind the battery. Oops. Can just leave the, you can pull this circuit board out. It's probably gonna be a little bit easier. So pick this up, and what we're going to do is just insert the corner of our flathead screwdriver behind the battery and just push lightly, wiggling it in, and the battery will pop right out. So let me show you that once more. You can see there's a little space between the battery and the plastic behind it. If you just take a regular flathead screwdriver and push that in there, the battery will pop right out. Once more, this is a CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of those, check the link in the description. I'll put that there for you. And when you're putting your new battery in, make sure the positive side goes face up. So you just click it in, and you want to see that plus side going up. Now pick up the back part of the device here, and you can see there's that little circle up in the top. The battery is going to sit directly on top of that. So settle that down in there, and now we can just set the other part right on top and squeeze it all back together and put our key back in there too. So that is it. That's all it takes. I hope that was helpful to you. And if you ever need help changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every maker model. And you can also go and check us out directly at our website, fobbattery.com.